Want some more? Want some more fruits? These are good. Oh, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. What do you think about that? Want some more? Boop. Boop, 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 boop. You still chewing that? What are you chewing? Want some more? You want some more?
What was that?
She's growling at me, making all kinds of noises.
Are you having lunch?
Show Papa how to eat.
Is that good?
You gonna make Grandma laugh some more? You gonna make me laugh some more? Huh? Yeah.
Yeah?
Where'd you learn those noises? Huh? You ready for some more prunes? You want some more prunes?
Oh yeah?
Any more? Oh, yeah. There you go.
Good stuff. Is that good?
Oh, it is. Nummy, nummy. Mmm.
She got some on me.
Oh, did she? Oh, you've got so much on your lips. Let's get some of that off your lip. Prunes are kind of messy, aren't they? Prunes are messy. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. This is a clean washcloth, by the way. I'm not putting a dirty washcloth in her mouth. Yeah, does that feel good to chew on that? Any more? Any more? Any more prunes? Any more prunes? What's Papa doing? Is he getting a piece of pie? Is he getting a piece of pie? There you go. Is that any good? No. That doesn't taste so good, does it? No. That's not for eating, is it? Is Papa going to sit here and eat too? No, you're both eating something the same color. Yeah. Trying to get your rag. There's your rag. What happened to your carrot I gave you? She's like this, looking at the carrot. And she'd take them. And she'd smile. Beth was telling me how she used to give Elliot big long carrots, you know, because they can't bite anything off. And they just kind of liked the cold. Do you want any more of this? Do you want any more? Wash your face. Yeah. It's nice and cold, isn't it? You like chewing on that? Yeah. Yeah. It feel good? Maybe I should get it nice and cold for you. Yeah. I'm going to throw it on the ground. Boop. Boop. Want any more of this? Any more of this? Are you done? I think she's done. You did good. You did good. Yes, you did. be like your daddy and chew on a rag? Should I get that nice and cold for you? Let me go rinse that off for you. Yeah. Grandma go rinse that off.
I've had my blood pressure taken.
Yeah, how was it?
Hi. It was pretty good.
Was it?
He asked me if I had any more.
Episodes?
Yeah.
And?
I
You
told
told
him.
him?
And he goes, "Has she talked about a cardiologist at all?" And I said, "No, she hasn't, but I was going to bring it up today." I thought, yeah, that's probably a good idea.
I agree. I agree. Well, Grandma just needs to give you a cold rag, and you're happy. What? What do you think? Ah, what? Ah. Oh. Oh.
Low growl.
I think you like that chair, don't you? Do you like sitting in that chair? Your daddy used to sit in that chair. He did. He did. I should find some pictures of him in it. Yeah. I should find the thing that goes on top. I think it's in this utility room. Yes. I do. I do. I do. I do. I do. Now, doesn't her hair kind of look strawberry blonde right now? Are you being silly? Are you being silly?
Yeah.
What? What? Oh, are you my sweetheart? Oh, where's Sophia? There she is. Where's Sophia? There she is. What's Grandpa doing? Huh? I'm sure she'd like some pumpkin pie.
And some yogurt.
Yeah. Not sure if she's been introduced to that food yet. Gotta introduce foods one at a time. Yeah? You like that? I'll have to send that home with you. If you like that, right? Yeah. Where to go? Do you want that? Or do you want this? Which one do you want to play with? Or do you want to get out of your high chair? I took her